Right then, I'm going to fetch some pliers. Now, I'm just going to show you what I'm doing, because the brown is the live, and the live's coming in from this cable. It's coming in this way, so there's no power up that way. But, I am going to disconnect this live here. There's the yellow, brown and yellow, there's a brown and yellow. So that originally went straight through in one piece, but the guy that did the fan for Dometic put this cable in, and he did this, and then I'll come along later and connected mine up to it. So that red wire from the existing wiring should be going through there, and the other black wire from the new fan connection, like that one, goes to there. I'm going to connect them into a connector block between them, so it makes it easier. That's so messy. Okay, right, so let's hopefully you can see from this side up. Oh dear, I'm hoping you can see that. I don't know, maybe not. The screen's supposed to be on the front.